saw a girl
To go,
on a bike
Rada.
and tried to impress her, but it didn't go as planned.
Hi.
He deepened his voice and tried again.
Hi.
She wasn't having it, lowering her visor and ignored him. After getting embarrassed and awkwardly waiting, he even stalled. Realizing he lost all his
I think I messed that up.
he knew he had to do something good. So he followed her onto the highway and made a bold move, a massive wheelie to win her attention. And it worked. When she caught up to him, she did something no one expected. What do you think happened next?
She likes it. All right, cool.